Light, empowering the hope of life. Technology, reshaping the dimensions of health. Youwemed Cooperation Limited. 2024. A beam of exploratory light was ignited right here, in the medical device industry. We took our first defining step. Over a decade of refinement to the finest detail, the light of Youwemed has spread across China. Recognized as a high-tech enterprise, a technology-based SME, and honored as an industrial internet and cloud platform enterprise, illuminating a healthy future with the light of technology. Light gathers strength. Converging in Suzhou, the central city of the Huaihai Economic Zone. Under Youwemed is Suzhou Bluesitech, Hunan Youwemed Medical, Jiangsu Weichuan and Zhengzhou Lacey Technology for major production bases, along with Jiangsu Bluesitech, Suzhou Joylin, Wuhan Mume, Bangshan, and Zhengzhou Lacey Technology, 5 major marketing companies. We have built R&D, smart manufacturing, and a full-chain marketing system, with an annual production capacity exceeding 1 million units. Empowered by a top-tier domestic R&D team, 70+ patents forming our technological moat. By integrating independent mold factories, injection molding plants, and SMT assembly lines across the full chain, we achieve flexible smart manufacturing, providing downstream clients with OEM and ODM customization. Here, the ISO 13485 system safeguards the entire process, from raw material intake to finished product shipment, through over 20 quality control checkpoints, upholding millimeter-level quality, ensuring our products pass both CFDA and CE certifications. Radiating health. Guided by the Healthy China 2030 initiative, we integrate medical and aesthetic care, building rehabilitation devices, physical therapy equipment, skin diagnostic devices, and a multidimensional aesthetic device portfolio. UV phototherapy device, using imported light sources, high intensity, excellent stability, suitable for vitiligo, and adjuvant treatment for psoriasis. Intense pulsed light, IPL, therapy device, adopting rectangular square wave pulse technology with constant voltage output, ensuring the stability and precision of light energy transmission. Equipped with user-friendly comfort control modes and a powerful cooling system, delivering a more comfortable treatment experience. With significant value in medical aesthetics. Syringe assist propulsion device. Using ultra-precision control technology, it achieves precise control over the injection process, ensuring accurate, leak-free injection throughout, delivering the ultimate aqua glow experience for beauty seekers. LED phototherapy device. Using high-power LED cold light sources, paired with imported gold wire leads, it delivers ultra-high irradiance with non-invasive operation. It effectively avoids damage to skin cells and is widely used in orthopedics, pain management, rehabilitation, surgery, burn care, dermatology, and medical aesthetics. Semiconductor laser therapy device. Using dot matrix laser arrangement technology, it achieves uniform spot distribution, reaching every hair follicle and promoting efficient hair regeneration. Medical magnifier. Also known as a Wood's lamp, it is an essential tool in clinical skin examinations. The device uses specific optical elements to aid accurate diagnosis of specific skin conditions. Pelvic floor muscle rehabilitation trainer, designed for women's postpartum recovery, based on progressive weighted training principles. It significantly strengthens pelvic floor muscles and helps women restore postpartum pelvic floor function. We also offer micromesh nebulizers, blood glucose meters, blood pressure monitors, infrared thermometers, nebulizers, pulse oximeters, and other cross-border e-commerce bestsellers. Light reaches the 4 corners of the world. Today, our products serve medical, health, and aesthetic institutions in over 30 countries, across 40 cross-border stores, building a global business footprint. From a single beam of light to a complete ecosystem, Youwemed, with the light of technology, the light of smart manufacturing, the light of precision, forging a healthy future.